Cauliflower looks like a plain white vegetable, but it packs a serious nutritional punch. Today we're breaking down its benefits, its nutrition profile, and the side effects you should watch out for. Nutritional value. Cauliflower is low in calories, but rich in nutrients. A single cup contains vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and fiber, along with small amounts of potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. It's also a good source of choline, a nutrient many people don't get enough of. Best of all, it contains almost no fat and very few carbs, making it a favorite for low-carb and keto diets. Boosts immunity. The high vitamin C content in cauliflower helps strengthen your immune system. Vitamin C supports white blood cell production, helping your body fight off infections faster and heal wounds more efficiently. Regular intake may also reduce the severity of common colds. Supports digestive health. Cauliflower is loaded with fiber, which keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Fiber adds bulk to stool, prevents constipation, and feeds healthy gut bacteria, which can improve overall gut health and digestion over time. Rich in antioxidants. This vegetable contains antioxidants like glucosinolates and isothiocyanates, which help reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. These compounds have also been linked to a lower risk of certain cancers in several scientific studies. Supports heart health. Cauliflower contains sulforaphane, a compound known to reduce blood pressure and improve blood vessel function. Combined with its fiber and potassium content, this can help lower bad cholesterol and support overall heart health in the long run. Good for weight management. Since cauliflower is low in calories and rich in dietary fiber, it can help you feel full and satisfied for longer after meals. This can make it easier to control portion sizes and avoid unnecessary snacking throughout the day. Cauliflower is also a versatile vegetable that can be used as a healthier alternative to rice, potatoes, or even flour in some recipes. Adding it to your meals can help reduce overall calorie intake, while still providing important nutrients and keeping your meals filling and satisfying. Side effects. Despite its benefits, cauliflower isn't for everyone. It contains compounds that can cause bloating and gas, especially when eaten raw or in large amounts. People with thyroid issues should also eat it in moderation since it contains goitrogens, which may interfere with thyroid hormone production. Additionally, cauliflower is high in vitamin K, so people on blood-thinning medication should talk to their doctor before increasing their intake. So that's the full picture on cauliflower, a simple-looking vegetable with powerful health benefits. Add it to your meals and enjoy its nutrition. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more health content, and let us know in the comments what vegetable you'd like us to cover next.